Allora, Marcello, meat, soy sauce. The whole bottle, huh? 250 milliliter. Now, okay, you have to cover all the meat. Now we go with Worcester. Not too much, not too little. We start. Pepper. Take a spoon, little spoon. Garlic granulatum, 1 teaspoon. Madonna, che schifo. Now, thyme, not too much. Salt, you can use the Himalaya, whatever you have. Don't put too much. The soy sauce is the salt, just to give some extra. Okay? Good. Now, mix. We have some alien body. Mix. Okay, and now a very important part, the finger. It has to be strong, very strong, okay? Very salty. Now, you adjust as you like. I put some more of this. We will not use the spice I recommended. We could, but we are not. This is the one I use for grilling. It's good. But we'll do something else. Just for the kids. So we have pepper, garlic powder, or granulatum, or salt, it's the same. Worcester sauce, a lot of soy sauce, and that's paprika, the big one. Again, a spoon is bitter paprika. and we mix with the bourbon. That's a bit too sweet. We put some more salt. And more pepper. We mix again. So it has to be very salty. And now the last part. Ziploc. Oh. Now you leave it for 24 hours.